A is for apple, red and round. Apple dances and spins around. B is for banana, long and yellow. Banana grooves like a silly fellow. C is for cherry, small and sweet. Cherry jumps on tiny feet. D is for date, brown and dry. Date does a twirl and waves high. E is for elderberry, dark and blue. Elderberry does a boogie too. F is for fig, soft and yummy. Fig shakes its jelly tummy. G is for grape, purple and fun. Grapes roll and bounce one by one. H is for honeydew, green and round. Honeydew wiggles to the sound. I is for ice apple, juicy and cool. Ice apple floats like it's in a pool. J is for jackfruit, spiky and big. Jackfruit does a happy jig. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and small. Kiwi rolls like a bouncing ball. L is for lemon, yellow and bright. Lemon since left and then right. M is for mango, oh so sweet. Mango taps with happy beat beat. N is for nectarine, soft and neat. Nectarine dances to the beat. O is for orange, juicy delight. Orange jumps with all its might. P is for papaya, smooth and wide. Papaya swings side to side. Q is for quince, a funny name. Quince plays a dancing game. R is for raspberry, pink and light. Raspberry twirls left and right. S is for strawberry, red and bright. Strawberry shines in the light. T is for tangerine, orange and fun. Tangerine jumps in the sun. U is for ugly fruit, bumpy and cool. Ugly fruit grooves at fruit school. V is for vanilla bean, skinny and long. Vanilla bean dances to a song. W is for watermelon, big and green. Watermelon does a split and leans. X is for Jiggle from far away. Jigglewood joins the dance and plays. Y is for yellow plum, small and round. Yellow plum jumps off the ground. Z is for zucchini, green and cool. Zucchini break dances, now that's cool.
A is for apple, apple, red and shiny, such a treat. B is for ball, ball and bounce it high, don't let it fall. C is for cat, cat, soft and furry, purr like that. D is for dog, dog, wagging his tail out for a jog. E is for elephant, elephant condo, big gray ears, stomp, stomp, stomp. F is for fish, fish bowl, swim so fast, swish, swish, swish. G is for goat, goat, or climbing up high on a rocky slope. H is for hat, hat, oh, on your head just like that. I is for ice cream, ice cream, cold and sweet, a yummy dream. J is for jump, jumping up so high, thump, thump, thump. K is for kite, kite, flying so high, what a sight. L is for lion, lion, king of the jungle, hear him roar. M is for monkey, monkey, swinging in trees, feeling funky. N is for nest, nest, oh, cozy and warm, that's the best. O is for octopus, octopus, ooh, 8 long arms, don't make a fuss. P is for pig, pig bull, rolling in mud, feeling so big. Q is for queen, queen, wearing a crown, what a scene. R is for rabbit, rabbit, hopping around, it's a habit. S is for sun, sun, shining so bright, everyone. T is for train, to train, choo down the lane. U is for umbrella, umbrella, keeps you dry in stormy weather. V is for band, vandal, driving fast, yes you can. W is for whale, whale, splish and splash with a big tail. X is for xylophone, xylophone, playing a tune all on your own. Y is for yo-yo, yo, up and down, go, go, go. Z is for zebra, black and white, fast as a cheetah.